You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly those two words in English. They look similar, they have a different pronunciation, but it's quite similar pronunciations. If you want to learn more English vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you at the end of this video. The top word is clue. Alright, so you're trying to guess something in a game and someone gives you a clue. Clue. It's an oo sound like a double O. Clue. The bottom word is glue. So the only difference is the g sound rather than a k. Okay, g, k. Glue. This is to stick different things together like pieces of paper. Glue. Clue is the top word, clue. Glue is the bottom word. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.